Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through some of the most amazing glowy products from Catrice, all new by the way, and I'm going to teach you how to get the perfect glowy look for summer. As you know, skin prep is so important for the perfect glowy makeup look, and any makeup look actually. And today I'm going to take you through this Endless Pearls primer, and it is just so beautiful, honestly. Look how stunning this product is. They are little glowy pearls suspended in a primer, and it is actually all a primer, and it is beautiful. It really preps the skin beautifully and really gives you that beautiful, perfect glowy base to put anything else on top of. As you can see, the little balls are squished, and you can just apply that, and all that shimmer goes into your skin and makes you so nice and glowy and dewy. So we're gonna apply that now quickly. This is one of the nicest primers I have used. It gives me such a beautiful dewy look. A little tip though, work fast, because this does get nice and tacky, so you can apply something on top of it and it'll stick down really nicely. As you can see, it has given me the most beautiful shine, and it's really gone in beautifully. It is a stunning product, and the packaging I just cannot get over. It is so pretty and so cute, and I love the black top, and it's glass. It's got some weight to it. It feels luxurious. It feels nice and heavy, but it doesn't feel heavy on the skin. Next, we're going in with the highly anticipated Soft Glam Filter Fluid by Catrice. So this is the Soft Glam Filter Fluid. It comes in the most beautiful packaging, also glass, with some nice weight to it. And you're gonna twist it open. And as you can see, we've got a doe foot applicator. This doe foot applicator is absolutely amazing because you can use it to really pinpoint where you want the product. So this product, you just put on where you need it. You can use it as a primer, as a topper for like some highlighter, or completely as its own. And I am one of those girlies who loves glowy skin, so I use it on its own. And I rub it in with my fingers. You can use a brush, you can use a beauty blender. There is no correct way to put this on, just whatever suits you. I'm going to zoom you in a little so you can really see that shine. So the Soft Glam Filter Fluid is fantastic. It adds this optical filter effect, so you can't really see the pores too much on your skin, which is fantastic if you do have some pores that you are kind of concerned about. For the sake of this video, I am not going to be putting on another layer of foundation. I'm going to show you how this comes out with the rest of my makeup, so you can really see how stunning it is alone. And then I'm going to add a little bit more at the end, just as a highlight, as a topper, so you can also see how it highlights after the rest of your makeup has been applied. So the next product we're going in with is this Melted Sun bronzer, bronzing cream actually. It is a cream bronzer from Catrice, and it is stunning. Look at that. Oh, so pretty, and it just melts into the skin. Look at that. Oh, stunning. Still swatch. Oh, beautiful. With this product, I'm going to go in with a brush instead of a beauty blender. Usually I use a beauty blender, but I really want to see how it comes with a brush. And let's go in. So I'm just going to take not too much, but enough to give me that summer glow. I'm not sure about you guys, but I am a huge bronzy glowy girl. Oh my gosh, look at that pigment. Oh, absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to map it out on my face, kind of where I want it, and just go ahead and blend it in. As I said, it melts in like butter, guys. This stuff is insane. Absolutely love it. Look how natural that looks. And I'm not even using a lot of force. I'm literally just dabbing the brush on my face. In all honesty, I'd fully go out like this actually. And it's so lightweight as well. I'm gonna go down here to just sculpt the neck. You know, you want that jawline for summer. So put some shadow under there. And you got a jawline. You got a jawline, babe. I love it. So to bronze my nose and just kind of do a small contour and just deepen all those areas that need a bit more deepening within my face, I'm going to go in with some Magic Shaper. It is a new contouring glow stick from Catrice. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to show you exactly how this works. So on one side we have a contour stick slash bronzer, and on the other side we have a highlighter. So I'm just going to put where I usually do. So I'm going to deepen up in here and up in here. It's a bit more firm than the melted cream bronzer. So if you like a more firmer product, this is definitely for you. And I'm gonna go in just here. And just add a bit of a bronze. If you do want a more intense look, a more intense contour, then there are more shades. The shades range up to Deep Rich, which is a 60, which is beautiful. So if you do want a darker shade, or you are darker than I am, there are shades that will be great for you as well. As I said, it's a firmer product, but it blends in like nothing. It is fantastic. Look at that, absolutely beautiful, radiant, ready for summer, ready for the beach, girls' night, literally anything actually. So to add some more glow, I'm gonna go in with the highlighter side of this Magic Shaper stick, and I'm gonna put that under the eye. Oh my gosh, that is pigmented. Look at that, that's insane. Let's go this side. Really stunning. So I like to put over here, just on the cupid's bow. So when I do a natural look, I do very much prefer using my fingers to blend in. It just gives you a bit less kind of coverage, and you have kind of more control, especially if you're working with cream products. I love using my fingers. Absolutely radiant, if I do say so myself. So I'm gonna go in with this Wow in a Box eyeshadow palette, and it is absolutely stunning. Look at all those stunning colors. Oh, nice and shimmery. We've got a deep brown in here. It is mostly shimmery. There's only one shade that is matte, and that is this one over here. So if you're a shimmer girl, this is the palette for you. So I'm gonna go in with these two shades over here to just enhance the highlights a little. So I'm just gonna take my finger again, and I'm just gonna put that on the eye. I'm gonna take my pinky because I really want to go in this inner corner here, and just boop, over there. Stunning, oh my gosh, look at that. See, adding it in this little corner really adds a bit more of a pop to your makeup. You know, it makes your eyes look a bit more there. Look at that. Another one of my favorite hacks. I just love putting shimmer in this little inner corner. Doesn't have to be a lot, just enough to add a bit of a highlight. So next, to get these lips all nice and juicy, we're gonna go in with this Gloss and Glow. It is the shade 050 Spill the Tea. As you can see, it's got quite a big doe foot applicator, which is really nice. I love a huge applicator. It just, I don't know, it feels luxurious. I love it. And it actually smells so good. Guys, if you get the chance, smell all these. They're so good. It smells like fruit. The girlies are gonna eat this up. So this is quite a thick oil. It's not sticky, but it is a bit thicker, so you can feel it on your lips. I really love the feeling of these. It feels nourishing and like there's something there and it's doing something, which is fantastic because I like when a lip oil feels like it's doing something, when the oil's oiling, you know. And then for the final touches, I'm gonna add a little bit more glow, and I'm gonna be putting the filter fluid back on top, but I'm not gonna use as much. I'm just gonna add a subtle glow, just to show you that you can put this also on top, just to where you need a bit of an extra glow. This time I'm gonna be using a beauty blender. And this is the final look. I am so chuffed with how this came out. I love, love, love the finish of this Soft Glam Filter Fluid. It is amazing, and I want to be buying 10 of these. Honestly, I never want to run out of this, ever. Whether it's a trend or not, glowy skin, my ride or die, babe, honestly. All these products are so beautiful for summer, gives you that summery glow, and as we know, this year we're glowing into the Christmas season, so I really hope you guys loved this, and go and get yourself one of these, or 2 or 3. All the products I showed you today are so beautiful, so affordable, and very much accessible to every single one of you. I will leave the links down below where you can get this, and thank you so, so much for watching, and I will see you next time.